Hi Rahman, many happy returns of the day. Have a beautiful day and a great rocking year. And as always, expecting some magical music from you. God bless.
Hi, this is Amit Trivedi and here's me wishing Sir A.R. Rahman a very happy birthday and a heartfelt thank you for inspiring me and millions like me for 30 years together. There is no one like you, sir, and there never will be. So thank you, God, for giving us A.R. Rahman. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday to someone who made my dreams come true. I always call him the messiah of Indian film music. Continue to inspire us. He will continue to inspire us, no doubt about it. I wish him good health, happiness, peace, and a lot of music that we are going to cherish always. Waiting for the next one. And happy birthday, many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Rahmanji, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Also wishing you happiness, peace and prosperity throughout your life. Thank you and good luck.
नमस्कार देशवासियों, इस पृथ्वी पर कुछ लोगों को परमात्मा ने अपने हाथों से गढ़कर भेजा है। उनमें से एक नाम है A.R. रहमान और उनके जन्मदिन पर हम लोग क्या दें, बस प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं। प्रार्थना ही सबसे बड़ा धन है, सबसे बड़ा उपहार है, सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट है। A.R. रहमान साहब के जन्मदिन के लिए हम परमात्मा से, परमपिता परमेश्वर से, मेरे महादेव से, मेरे महाशिव से यही मनोकामना करते हैं कि ये मेरे ईश्वर इस तरह की दिव्यात्मा को स्वस्थ रखिए, आनंद में रखिए और जब तक वो रहें ऐसी दिव्यता बिखेरते रहें। क्यों? क्योंकि वो आप ही का स्वरूप हैं संगीत के रूप में। नमस्कार।
Namaste sir. Many more happy returns of the day. We wish you a very happy, peaceful and a healthy life.
Namaste sir. You have always been an inspiration to us as a musician and also as a human. We wish you loads of happiness and peace. Once again, a very happy birthday. God bless you sir.
புள்ளினங்கால் ஓ புள்ளினங்கால் உன் பேச்சரவும் கேட்டு நின்றே புள்ளினங்கால் ஓ புள்ளினங்கால் உன் கீச்சொலிகள் வேண்டுகின்றேன். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்க பின்னணி பாடகர் பாம்பா பாக்கியா பேசுறேன். வருகிற ஜனவரி 6ஆம் தேதி ஆஸ்கார் நாயகன் இசைப்புயல் A.R. ரஹ்மான் அவர்களுடைய பிறந்த நாள். அவர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே சார். நீங்கள் என்னைக்கும் இளமையோடவும் இசையோடவும் வாழணுன்ட்டு இறைவனை பிரார்த்தித்து கொண்டு எனக்கு இந்த அரிய வாய்ப்பு 2.0ல புள்ளினங்கால், சர்க்காரில் சிம்டாங்காரன் தொடர்ந்து நிறைய பாடல்கள் இன்னி வரைக்கும் எனக்கு கொடுத்துட்ருக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்களும் வணக்கங்களும் உங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதம் என்றைக்கும் எனக்கு வேண்டும்னு கேட்டு விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Many happy returns of the day, Rahman sir. In my life, Rahman sir, you have been a great inspiration and a great source of support, especially through the Aromale song. I was able to grow into a next level. So you are like my elder brother who really supported me, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you all good health and more blessings from the Lord, and may God bless you more and more. Many happy returns of the day.
Dear sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. Our best wishes and prayers for everything. Wish you the best of health, joy and peace. Have a lovely year ahead. Thank you.
Hi A.R. sir, wishing you a very happy birthday and lots of love. Have a great day.
Happy birthday. எப்பவுமே நீ நல்லா இருக்கணும்னா கடவுளை வேண்டிட்டு இருக்கணும். அல்லாஹ் துஆல எப்பவுமே நீங்க இளமையா இருக்கணும்.
AR sir, wish you a very, very happy, healthy, love-filled birthday. We love you to the moon and back to the moon and back again multiple times. Thank you so much for existing and touching our lives in ways that I can't even begin to explain. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Don't worry, I won't sing the whole song. Very happy birthday to Mr. A.R. Rahman, sir. When it's your birthday, it's a celebration not only for you, but for all of us, because we love you so much. And I mean, me personally, I can't even begin to describe how much you mean to me, how much your music means to me, and how much it means to me that I get to work with you. So I'm always grateful for all the opportunities that you've given me, that you continue to give me. I'm very excited for an incredible year ahead. I'm always at the edge of my seat, you know, looking forward to what you're gonna do next, because I feel like you're a bag of surprises and it's always something interesting. So wishing you all the best for the next year. I hope it's full of lots of love, lots of music, lots of laughter, lots of movies, and performances and musicals and whatever else, you know, is on the cards. So all the best. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Amin, and hope to see you soon.
Wishing you many, many more happy returns of the day, dear sir. You're too special to us. We're always praying for your good health and happiness. May you have a day as special as you are. Lots of love, prayers and birthday wishes to our dearest Amin as well.
Dear Rahman sir, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great day. We love you, sir. Thank you for your music. Thank you for believing in me. It means the world to me, sir. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Hi Rahman sir, wishing you a happy birthday and wishing you all the best in every step, every innovation and every piece of vision that you execute in life. We are so happy and honored to be a part of your music and be a part of your life. And all the best once again, and thank you for being you.
Hi Raman, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi Rahman sir, a very, very happy birthday to you. This day is not just a celebration for me, but for every musician out there who has been inspired by your music, and especially for me, because I have learned everything I know about music from you and a lot about life as well. You are the kindest, humblest, greatest human being I know. Thank you so much for being you and always being there for all of us youngsters and giving us opportunities. And have a great day and a great year ahead. See you soon.
Hey AR, many happy returns of the day. Keep inspiring us like you always do. You are the change.
Namaskar AR sir. A very, 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 very happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for all the wonderful music you have given us in all these years. Your music has inspired us. Your music has given us hope. Your music spreads so much joy. And I'm sure when I say this on the behalf of the entire ARR community. We love you so much. We have so much respect for you. And we hope to listen to more of your music in the coming years. So thank you so much and have a great birthday.
My heartfelt birthday wishes to Rahman sir. I thank the Almighty for blessing us with his music. Anybody who listens to his songs would definitely feel this.
Happy birthday, sir. Every year you get older and your music sounds younger. I have no idea how it happens, but I'm glad it does. I'm so grateful for all of the opportunities you've given me. I can't wait to do this for a long time with you. I hope you have the best day ever, the best year ever, filled with love, blessings, positivity, and all around good vibes. God bless.
Hello Rahman ji, this is Anupama here, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May you receive all the love, the warmth, the care, the prosperity, success and very good health for years to come.
Hi sir, just wanted to say a very, very happy birthday to you. It's very exciting. It's like Diwali for all of us, the fans community. So just wanted to say a very, very happy birthday to you, sir, and thanks for everything that you do for us. Love you a lot, sir. I'll always be grateful. Thank you so much. Bye, sir.
Good morning, Yara, sir. I have the pleasure of announcing your happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. It's all Chandra talked about you a lot, and thank you for becoming one of your fans, sir. Thank you.
வணக்கம் ரஹ்மான் சார், உங்களுக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துகள். Wishing you many, many more happy returns of the day.
I can't keep calm because it's A.R. Rahman sir's birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day, Rahman sir. I can't imagine my life without your music. So I'm forever grateful and thankful to you. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy, and once again, a very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Rahman sir. Today we celebrate your existence. Blessed to be born in this era. Keep inspiring, keep blessing us with your music. Stay happy and healthy. We love you, sir.
Hi Rahman sir, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. I pray that I get more and more songs from you, and I wish you a great health ahead, and I always wish for your smile, sir. You were always my guru, and you will be my guru in front, and I've learnt a lot from you, sir. Thanks for everything.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Rahman sir.
இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் ரஹ்மான் சார். I feel truly blessed to be born in the same era where you exist, sir. My life would have been very difficult and couldn't imagine a life without your music, sir. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and always keep smiling, sir.
Wishing you a many, many happy returns of the day, dear Rahman sir. May God bless you with good health and happiness. And thank you so much for all the amazing music that you have gifted us. And you know, we are very happy and blessed to live in this era of yours. We love you so much, dear sir.
Hello, A.R. Rahman sir. Pirandanal nalvalthukal. Stay safe and healthy. We love you so much, sir.
Hello, Rahman sir. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Have a blessed year ahead. May all your wishes get fulfilled. I really pray God for this. Happy birthday once again, sir. Have a great 2022.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు రెహమాన్ సార్. Sir, your music takes me to a world which I never imagined of. Your words motivate me, enlighten me. You are an inspiration for me, sir. Wishing you the best of health and happiness. Keep smiling. Love you so much, sir.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday and sharing this wish with lots and lots of love, prayers, and immense gratitude. I think the very first song I listened to was yours, and since then till date, you've always been an inspiration every single day through your music and in all aspects of life as well. And I feel really, really grateful to have spent some time with you, to have met you, and to have worked with you. And I'm always looking forward to the same. So I wish you the very best, and with lots of prayers that you have an amazing year ahead, with lots more music, with immense happiness and everything surrounded by in your life. Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, dear sir. I hope you're having a great time. We miss you here. Hope to see you soon, and you take care of yourself, and may you have a brilliant year. Super musical. Take care. Happy birthday.
Hi sir, here's wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, and may this year bring you lots of joy and happiness, and us fans cannot wait to hear more music from you, so we are all waiting.
Happy? Say happy birthday, AR uncle. Say happy birthday.